This is brake fluid sign. You can use DOT 304. If it's low, other kind of make sure your brake pads okay, not good for your timing chain. You ending with another unexpected problem. Because of that, make sure add correct grade of oil. If you're not sure, you can contact your local parts supplier or main dealer and find out which. And also, this is radiator coolant. When it's hot, don't going to open this one. You ending with burning hand. You can top up here if you need it. If it not, you can top up your engine bay. This is Nissan Micra 2014. I'm going to show you inside hood. This is bonnet opener. You need to pull inside another latch here. Just press, then you can open the bonnet. This is bonnet stopper. Now you can check up your engine bay. This is brake fluid sign. You can use DOT 304. If it's low, make sure your brake pads okay, no leak around this area. This one shouldn't be low. If it's low, something not right, brake pad or there is a leaking. If it's not, you can top up only DOT 304. This is screen washer symbol. You can add only screen washer. Don't going to add antifreeze coolant here. This is engine oil symbol. You can top up engine oil. Open this lid. Make sure add correct engine oil grade. If you add other kind of grade of oil, it's not good for your timing chain. You ending with another unexpected problem. Because of that, make sure add correct grade of oil. If you're not sure, you can contact your local parts supplier or main dealer and find out which oil this vehicle has. And also, when you're going to top up, add little by bit. If you need to top up, you can top up more. If you top up whole 1 or 2 liter can, sometimes you ending with too much oil inside the engine and big smoke. Be careful of that one when you're going to top up. Top up little by little bit and check with the dipstick. End of the day, you are fine. If you need to check up your oil level, make sure vehicle park level surface. Wipe this dipstick. This is the maximum level. This is low level. You can see it's here. That means it's fine. And also, this is radiator coolant. When it's hot, don't going to open this one. You ending with burning hand. You can top up here if you need it. If it not, you can top up here. This is maximum level. You can see at the bottom is a low level. Now vehicle has a here close to the maximum level. You are fine. And when you're going to top up coolant, make sure add correct color. Don't going to mix up other colors. I think this vehicle has a green color coolant. If you need to check the fuse box, this is the fuse box. You can press this tab, press here, press there, and you can lift up this one. Inside here, your engine bay fuse. If you need to jump start, connect positive line first, negative second. Don't going to mix up positive and negative. You ending with unexpected problem. Maintain your top ups and make it long last. You will be fine. Now you know how to top up your engine bay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow our channels. You can get lot of useful video and tips like this.